Securities Exchange and much more. We're happy to have the CEO of the NSE, Geoffrey Odundo, and it's great to have you with us in studio.
Thank you,
this is of course a week when we heard a shocking announcement from Kenya Airways. We'll get to that in a short while, but let's start by demystifying the Nairobi Securities Exchange. And you know, we see a lot of businesses growing. We've seen the GES recently held, of course, right here in Nairobi, and there's so much potential, but a lot of people over the years have felt locked out of the NSE and thought this is for the big boys, it's not for us. It's the same for investors, potential shareholders. They feel maybe we don't have the money, maybe we can't get there. Where is the Nairobi Securities Exchange in terms of its growth and development? And what's your message to Kenyans on how they can leverage opportunities within the NSE?
Okay. Julie, the Nairobi Securities Exchange has been in existence for 61 years now. And over the years, it's began as a small trading platform where you had just a few traders who'd come and exchange certificates and shares and stuff, and now it's a highly sophisticated market. We currently have a state-of-the-art trading platform. We have our trading members who are the brokers connected on a wide area network. We have over the years been able to create or list companies, both private and public companies, at the exchange. Today we have 64 companies, all listed at the exchange. We have a total of 69 bonds, both government and private bonds, trading on the exchange. So what has this done? It has been able to give Kenyans an opportunity to acquire interest in companies that they would not be able to. Because one of the things that we normally try to do when companies come to market is to make the share affordable. For instance, Safaricom.
Right, and that's what shows the appetite
Absolutely.
of the public.
Absolutely.
Right.
This was a government company, but the only way to spread ownership is through the exchange, is through distributing this company through shares to a wider sphere of Kenyans. So the exchange does give opportunity for Kenyans to actually acquire a piece of their national assets. And we also have good companies that you, for instance, are supporting growth in all our sectors of economy. And you always find there's an interest. How can we acquire? Now the only way you can do that is by going through a broker and buying shares. So we currently offer 64 companies. You're able to buy these shares through almost 22 brokers, and basically have a share of the cake of what our economy has to provide.
So a couple of questions following on from that. One is technology, and I'll come to that. But let's go first to the businesses that might be small and medium sized that feel that they want to seek investors and opportunities through the exchange. How can they do that?
Now, in 2013, taking cognizance of our very strong small and medium sized market sector in Kenya, the Nairobi Securities Exchange did create a market called the Growth and Enterprise market to allow small and medium-sized companies list on the exchange. Now, for you to list at the exchange, as on the other segments of the market, the thresholds are high. You must have a 3-year profitability record. You must have a certain higher threshold of capital. You must have a certain number of